Hi, I want to start a vegetable garden.
First time growing vegetables?
Yes, what is easy to grow?
Tomatoes are the easiest.
I love tomatoes.
Cherry tomatoes are great for beginners.
How many plants do I need?
3 plants give you lots of tomatoes.
What else do you recommend?
Bell peppers and basil.
Basil for cooking?
Yes, fresh basil smells amazing.
And bell peppers are colorful.
Red, yellow, and green.
I will take all 3 colors.
Do you have garden space?
A small area in the backyard.
These plants need full sun.
We have lots of sun.
Perfect. Water them every morning.
How much for the seedlings?
$3 each. You have 8 plants.
$24. Not bad.
Happy gardening!
Hi, I need soil for a vegetable garden.
Potting soil or garden soil?
What is the difference?
Garden soil goes in the ground.
We are planting in the ground.
This organic garden soil is the best.
How many bags do I need?
2 bags for a small garden.
I also need fertilizer.
Vegetable fertilizer. This one is organic.
Is organic better?
Safer for vegetables you will eat.
Good point. I will take it.
Do you need a watering can?
Yes, a big one.
This 2-gallon one is perfect.
And garden gloves?
These ones are waterproof.
How much for everything?
$44 total.
Here is 50. Keep the change.
Thank you. Enjoy your garden.
Looking for garden tools?
Yes, I need a shovel and a rake.
This small garden shovel is good.
Perfect size for a backyard garden.
And this steel rake for soil.
How much are they together?
$22 for both.
Do you sell small fences?
For keeping animals out?
Yes, rabbits eat everything.
This wire fence is 3 feet tall.
That should stop the rabbits.
It comes in 10-foot rolls.
I need 2 rolls.
$15 per roll.
And garden stakes to support the tomatoes?
These bamboo stakes are popular.
How many do I need?
1 per tomato plant.
How much for everything?
$55 total.
Great, here's my card.
Your garden will be beautiful. Let's start here, by the fence.
I will dig up the old grass first.
Use the shovel. Go deep.
This is hard work.
But it is so satisfying.
The soil underneath is dark and rich.
Now mix in the new garden soil.
Both bags?
Yes, spread it evenly.
Now the fertilizer?
Just a little. Follow the instructions.
1 cup per plant. Got it.
Use the rake to smooth it out.
The garden bed looks great.
Nice and level.
How far apart do we plant?
Tomatoes need 2 feet apart.
That is more than I thought.
They grow very big.
I will measure with the tape.
Smart. Mark each spot.
This is actually really fun.
Time to plant.
Tomatoes first?
Yes, dig a small hole.
How deep?
Deep enough for the root ball.
I will be gentle.
Take the plant out of the pot slowly.
Like a baby, very careful.
Yes, plant babies.
In the hole, press the soil around it.
Not too tight.
Now the bamboo stake next to it.
Tie the stem with a soft string.
Done! First tomato planted.
2 more to go.
I will do the peppers too.
Peppers need 1 foot apart.
And the basil?
Plant it next to the tomatoes.
Why next to tomatoes?
They are companion plants. They help each other.
Plants have friends? That is cool.
Now water everything gently.
Our first vegetable garden.
Building a fence, Tom?
Yes, to keep rabbits out.
Smart. They ate all my lettuce last year.
I do not want that to happen.
What are you growing?
Tomatoes, peppers, and basil.
Great choices for beginners.
Any tips?
Watch out for slugs.
Slugs? How do I stop them?
Put crushed eggshells around the plants.
Eggshells, really?
They do not like the sharp edges.
That is a clever trick.
Also, pick tomatoes when they are a little green.
Not fully red?
They ripen on the counter. Taste better.
I had no idea.
I can share more tips anytime.
Thank you, Lisa. You are the best.
Neighbors help neighbors.
Time for the first watering.
I will fill the watering can.
Gentle. Do not drown them.
How much water?
Until the soil is damp, not soggy.
The tomatoes look so tiny.
In 2 months, they will be huge.
I cannot imagine that.
We will take photos every week.
A growth diary.
I will start tomorrow.
Day 1, 8 tiny plants.
Day 90, fresh tomato salad.
I cannot wait for that salad.
Homegrown tomatoes taste the best.
Better than the supermarket?
100 times better.
This is our happy place now.
I agree. Our little green paradise. Mike, look at our tomatoes.
Wow, so many, so red.
Our first harvest.
Can I pick one?
Of course.
It is still warm from the sun.
Taste it.
Oh, so sweet, so fresh.
Better than the store?
1,000,000 times better.
The peppers are ready too.
Red, yellow, and green. Beautiful.
And the basil is huge.
You can make pesto sauce.
That is a great idea.
I should start a garden too.
It is easier than you think.
What should I grow first?
Tomatoes. Always start with tomatoes.
Can I borrow some basil?
Take as much as you want.
This smells like summer.
Dinner is ready, all from our garden.
Caprese salad with our tomatoes.
And fresh basil on top.
The colors are amazing.
Try the grilled peppers.
So sweet, so crunchy.
We grew this ourselves.
From tiny seedlings to dinner.
2 months of watering and waiting.
Totally worth it.
Lisa's eggshell tip worked.
No slugs touched our plants.
And the fence stopped the rabbits.
Smart investments.
What should we grow next season?
Zucchini and cucumbers.
And maybe strawberries.
A strawberry garden sounds dreamy.
We did something amazing today.
We grew our own food.
From the earth to the table.
The best meal we have ever had.